how to install IMS app. So if you want to download or install IMS application on your device, then first check your internet connection. And once your internet connection is stable, now you can simply go for your Play Store or your App Store, and you can go for the search bar and search for IMS. And once you've searched, here you will have your IMS application. So if you want to download and install the application, then you can simply tap on install. And once you tap on install, it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. So just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. And once the app is installed, now you will have open button on the right side. Tap on open. And that's it. Now you can simply log into your account and you can use your IMS account. So that's it. That's how you install IMS application on your device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.